Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you coming across my channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please do what to subscribe, like, share and comment. Okay, please guys, like my video, help me to like my video. And to you all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. Thank you for always supporting me. So guys, today I'll be showing you how to make this sweet delicious okra soup you are seeing right here. So relax, let me introduce my ingredients to you. So this is what you'll be needing to make your own okra soup. I have my okra here. I have my beef and my cow skin. They are washed already. I have my dried fish. Here I have my yellow and red habanero pepper. I have my crayfish. I have my seasoning cube. I have salt. I have my red oil. So I'm using two leaves for this soup, my ugu leaf and my uziza leaf. Okay, you can choose to use any of these two. Alright, I'm using these two. I love the combination of these two. This is uziza leaf and this is pumpkin leaf. So guys, let's start cooking. Alright, so start by boiling our meat, and I've already added it to the pot. I'm seasoning it right now. I've already added my pepper. Please go in with the amount of pepper you can take. Okay, so I just added my pepper and my seasoning cube. The meat is frozen, so I'll just allow it to cook. Okay, I'll add in water now and allow the meat to cook. So guys, let's check on our meat now. So as you can see, our meat is fully cooked. So right now we'll proceed to making our soup. Okay, and to that I will add in my palm oil in a dry pot. I'll allow this red oil to get hot. Once the oil is hot, I'll add in my onions to the oil. I will allow this oil to fry so that it can release its wonderful flavor, its sweet flavor to the oil. Okay, then I will go in with my crayfish. I won't be adding all of my crayfish, so keep watching so that you will see what I did with the remaining crayfish. I'm going to stir, allow it to fry for 2 minutes. Okay, then guys, I will add in my okra. I'm going to stir this now. I will allow this okra to fry for like a minute or two. Okay, so once the okra is fried enough, I'll add in my dried fish. I'll go in with my meat. I'm going to stir this and I'm going to mix it very well. and I'll add in salt because I didn't add salt. I'm going to stir this. I will go in with my remaining okra. I will stir this okra. I won't allow it to cook for a longer period, okay, because this is vegetable. I will just stir and then add in my vegetables, okay. So guys, I'm going in now with some water to loosen my okra soup a bit because I noticed that the okra was so thick. But if you don't want, you can still leave yours like that, okay. So I'm going to stir this now. Then I'll be adding in my leaf. I'm going in with the 2 leaves at the same time. I'm going to mix all this very well. I will stir and mix it very well. Then I will go in with my remaining crayfish, guys. So this is our soup. Our soup is ready. So guys, I'll be adding in my remaining crayfish now, and I'll just stir and break down, and that's it guys. Our soup is ready. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you enjoyed watching this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, like my video, subscribe, share. Okay guys, until I come your way next time, bye.